Best ERP software for manufacturing. Here's what actually works. When you're running a manufacturing operation, the right ERP can completely change how smoothly your business works. Today I'm breaking down the best ERP software for manufacturing, what each one does well, where it fits, and how to decide which option gives you the highest return. No fluff, just the details you need. And the first one to start off from is SAP S/4HANA, one of the most recognized names in manufacturing ERP. SAP stands out with real-time data processing and incredibly deep modules for production planning, quality management, and logistics. It's a strong match for large enterprises working with complex supply chains or global operations. SAP's biggest advantage is consistency, speaks the same language and works off the same data set. The trade-off is implementation difficulty and cost, which can be high for smaller factories. And next is Oracle NetSuite, a cloud-based ERP that's flexible and easier to adopt than traditional enterprise systems. It's a popular choice for mid-sized manufacturers who want strong MRP features, integrated financials, and smooth inventory tracking. NetSuite handles multi-location production well and adapts quickly as your business grows. It's not as granular in certain advanced manufacturing scenarios compared to enterprise systems, but for most companies, it hits the sweet spot between performance and simplicity. And moving on to Microsoft Dynamics 365, a system many manufacturers pick for its familiar interface and strong integration with Microsoft tools. Dynamics handles production scheduling, warehouse management, sales, and procurement with clean workflow. Its strength is flexibility. You can add modules as needed without overwhelming the system. It's ideal for manufacturers upgrading from older, fragmented tools who want something modern without locking into an overly complex ecosystem. And now let's discuss Odoo, which has grown massively in manufacturing thanks to its modular approach and design, and also affordability. Odoo's manufacturing app includes work orders, MRP, quality checks, and planning tools, making it surprisingly capable for the price. It's great for small to mid-sized manufacturers or newer operations wanting strong features without enterprise-level costs. Since it's modular, companies can add features only when needed, keeping things efficient and budget-friendly. Another strong option is Infor Cloud Suite Industrial, commonly known as CityLine. This one is built specifically for manufacturing environments, especially discrete manufacturing. It shines in production scheduling, machine efficiency tracking, capacity planning, and handling complex shop floor workflows. It's widely used by industrial manufacturers who need more specialized functionality than general-purpose ERP systems usually offer. Then there's Epicor, which consistently performs well for manufacturing companies that want a focused, industry-specific solution. Epicor's strength is its shop floor control and production execution, offering strong real-time visibility into orders, materials, and performance. It fits best for mid-sized manufacturers who want a reliable system without a heaviness of high-end enterprise tools. And finally we have Plex, a cloud-native ERP built around manufacturing execution. If you need live shop floor data, machine monitoring, and real-time quality controls, this is one of the top systems. Plex gives you strong traceability and production transparency, which is why it's popular in automotive, food processing, and high compliance industries. It does require adapting to its workflow style, but once everything is configured, it delivers excellent visibility. And now let us discuss how to make a proper choice. If your operation is large and globally distributed, SAP and Oracle NetSuite will likely fit best. For manufacturers wanting strong features without an overwhelming setup, Dynamics 365 or Epicor are great options. If you're budget conscious or scaling up, Odoo gives you outstanding value with room to grow. And if real-time production visibility is your top priority, Plex or Infor Cloud Suite Industrial deserve a close look. And thanks for watching, guys. If you want more reviews and comparisons to help you choose the right tools for your business, make sure to check out the rest of the channel. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.